Hello everyone, today I'm going to be teaching you how to get better or cooler emotes on Twitch. First step is you want to go to twitch.tv. You can really be on any stream that you would like. I'm on mine right now. As long as you have the chat area open, you should be good. Next step that you're gonna want to do is you're gonna create a new tab. Then what you want to search up in this new tab is better TTV, all caps, and then press enter. You're gonna see two results come up. You're gonna see betterttv.com and chrome.google.com. And this is the official website at top, but this is where you want to download it. But you're not downloading it to your computer, so you don't have to worry about getting viruses or anything like that. So when you press on it, hello, this is editing me. My mic actually cut out at the end of the last clip and the beginning of the next clip, so I apologize. But if you just keep watching, it'll still make sense. Don't worry. And it'll bring you to something that looks like this. On my end, it says remove from Chrome because I already have it. But what it'll say for you is add to Chrome. And when you press add to Chrome, it's gonna want you to authorize through your Twitch account. And don't worry, it's just gonna be, it's pretty much, it'll help. So you wanna press authorize, and then you wanna go back to Twitch. Once you're back at Twitch, the updates won't be saved yet, so you're gonna wanna reload the site by pressing this little circle in the top left corner. Once it reloads, you're gonna wanna press on your icon in the top right corner, and you will see better TTV settings. This wasn't here before you had the extension, but when you press on this better TTV settings, it will come up with a bunch of settings that you can use all here. And there's a few that I recommend. Is auto claim bonus channel points, and basically when you're watching a stream, there will be a little loot chest that appear under your under the chat, and you have to press those every time you want channel points. And what you do with channel points is you can get rewards. But basically, what you can do is you can press that on, and it'll just pretty much auto click that whenever it shows up. Other ones that I recommend are better TTV emote menus, and this one is the most important one. You will get extra emotes that you can use, and it won't just be the basic Twitch ones. And also one big thing is the better TTV GIF emotes, or GIF. And basically this will be you'll be able to see moving emotes, and that's pretty much the settings that I prefer. But you can scroll through this and do whatever ones that you want. After you do whatever ones you want, if you press the emote menu one, you can press on this button, and you have a bunch of emotes here, and it's not loading right now, but you have a bunch of emotes that you can use, and it's really good. And that will conclude today's video. Thank you for watching, everyone, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!